Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel Learning Digital, and I am here to teach to about how to download your e-PAN card by online process. You can download your e-PAN, electronic permanent account number card from the Income Tax Department's official e-filing portal. This process is typically used for instant e-PAN cards generated using Aadhaar on the portal. Here are the steps. Steps to download ePAN, Instant PAN. Visit the Income Tax e-filing portal. Go to the official website of the Income Tax Department. Go to Instant ePAN. Look for the Instant ePAN option, usually found in the Quick Links section on the homepage. Check status to your download PAN. On the Instant ePAN page, find and click the Continue button under the Check Status Download PAN option. Enter Aadhaar. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number and click Continue. OTP validation. You will receive a one-time password OTP on the mobile number linked with your Aadhaar. Enter the OTP and click Continue. View Download PAN. The status of your ePAN request will be displayed. If the PAN has been generated and allotted, you will see the options to View ePAN and Download ePAN. Download. Click Download ePAN to save a PDF copy of your ePAN card. Note: the downloaded ePAN PDF file is usually password protected. The password is your date of birth in DDM-MYY format. E.g., if your birth date is January 5th, 1990, the password is 051990.